This video, I will discuss the last capital budgeting method that you should know, and that is the profitability index. The profitability index is simply 1 plus the NPV of the project divided by the initial investment. This method does account for the time value of money. There is also an objective decision rule with this method. Just look at the equation up here. If the NPV is positive, bigger than 0, then the second term here will be positive. So we will have 1 plus some positive number. So whenever the NPV is bigger than 0, the PI is also bigger than 1, which implies that we should undertake the project. Uh, if the NPV, if this part here was negative, then the second term would be a negative number, so it would be 1 minus something, and so we would have a PI that is smaller than 0. So whenever the NPV is smaller than 0, the PI is smaller than 1, and we should not undertake this project. This is a really useful method to compare projects under capital rationing. So basically, if the PI is 1.5, right, it's saying for each dollar you invest in the project, you're going to get $1.5 back. So obviously, if we have capital rationing means if we can't do all the projects that we want to do, right, because we don't have enough capital for them, then maybe we should do the project that gives us the more bang for our bucks. Maybe we should do the project that give us the more money back for each dollar we invest. So it's a really useful method when we're comparing projects. Okay, here I have an example, and I will do the example in this video here just because I think it's a pretty straightforward method to calculate once we've calculated the NPV already. So this is a project we've been working with for multiple problems already. Okay, we already calculated that the NPV of this project in the previous video was 26,870.01. Sorry, this should be a point here. Um, so let's just calculate the PI for this project. Well, it's pretty straightforward. We just take 1, we add the NPV, and we divide the NPV by the value of the initial investment we need to make, 80,000. And if we do that, it will give us 1.34. So this means that if we invest $1 in this project, we'll get $1.34 back out of the $1 we invested. So obviously, we should undertake this project. And that's it.